Hello, I am Johanna Kleipol. Some know me as Donna Kleipol from the Netherlands. I've been a Merkaba teacher as from 1995. I was trained by Drumvelo Melchizedek himself, and I have received new teachings every year ever since. Only not the last few years, but I've been with him many times, and I've learned a lot. I've been a full-time Merkaba teacher. If you want to know what is Merkaba, go to my website, merkabalight.com/en. There I made a little short video on what is Merkaba. You find short videos where I explain you who I am, what I'm doing, why we are doing. So you can find there a lot. You also can find 4 free red sphere videos with which you can learn to have your energy fields in order already. So that is perhaps also a big present. So I'm going to show you this piece of art. Yes, okay. So I'm giving also private healing sessions. I am giving also 2-day workshops, which is, and they are an introduction to the Merkaba workshop, which is in general 4 days. And and there is also a workshop to deepen all this knowledge and to go even further with all the questions. Where are we from? What are we doing here? Where are we going to? How do we get out of the matrix? And a lot of really important questions. Okay, and we are going to work on it. Many greetings, bye.